Hello, Dr. Friday is here today. I'm excited to guide you through how to convert PDF to Word document in a seconds. There's no need for extra software. Okay, so first of all, you click the Microsoft icon. Then you have the PDF that you want to convert to Word document. You come and click and drag. Okay, you drag into the Microsoft home screen. All right. And you have a dialog box that said, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. You click OK. Okay. You can see in the message. All right. The PDF has been converted to a Word document. All right. You can edit. You can save as a document or as well as also as a PDF. To save as a document, you just click File, click Save As. Okay. But if you want to save as PDF, you click File, you click More, you click Export, all right? Click PDF and SPS document, you click Create PDF, all right? Then you can do that and add file name, then click Published, all right? Click Publish. So if this video saves you from retyping the entire PDF in a Word, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.